Hi everyone! Welcome back to Fly High Cruise Far. If you're planning your first trip to Japan and want to explore Osaka, Kyoto, Nara, and Kobe on a tight budget, this is the video for you. We'll maximize time, minimize costs, and squeeze in as many epic sites as possible. No fancy hotels, no slow travel. Just pure, efficient adventure. Let's go! Land at Kansai Airport, grab an Ikeka card for trains, and head to your hotel. Drop your bags and hustle to explore. Number 1 must-do. Buy the Osaka Amazing Pass. You get unlimited transport plus free entries to major sites in Osaka. Skip the queues with the Osaka Amazing Pass. Next up, we explore, shop and dine at the Umeda area. Dodonbori at night. Try takoyaki and snap the Glico Man. Round off the night with a relaxing river cruise that is also included in your Osaka Amazing Pass. Today is all about Osaka's gritty charm. Activate your second Osaka Amazing Pass day. A must-visit spot for food lovers that offers fresh and cheap seafood, sushi, and more. Shinsekai is where you travel back to the past and enjoy retro vibes while indulging in kushikatsu. Do the dive and walk if you are feeling adventurous. Or just go down the tower slide otherwise. All are included in the Osaka Amazing Pass. Kyoto in one day? It's possible. Nara is a must, just 45 minutes from Osaka. Warning, deer will chase you. Run or pay the snack tax. Today, we're heading to Kobe to savor the world-famous Kobe beef steaks. Kobe beef sounds expensive, but lunch sets start at 3,500 yen. Worth it. Today is Splurge Day. USJ, here we come. Universal Studios Japan isn't budget-friendly, but if you're a thrill seeker, go on a weekday. Buy tickets online in advance. Last day, hit what you missed. Do your last-minute shopping before sprinting to the airport. You conquered Kansai. Like this itinerary, click on that like button and subscribe for more realistic travel guides. Drop a comment if you'd braid the deer again. Thank you for watching today's video and see you next time. Sayonara.